Did you know how beneficial a lemon can be? It's time to peel away the layers and explore the world of this zesty citrus. Today we're delving into the surprising benefits of the humble lemon, a fruit that is not only a culinary star but a wellness powerhouse. We'll be exploring how lemons can detoxify your body, boost your health, enhance your diet, and even beautify your skin. Did we mention it's an unexpected cleaning agent too? So buckle up as we squeeze out the best of lemons. Imagine having a natural detox agent right in your kitchen. Well, you do, and it's as common as a lemon, that's right. Lemons, with their vibrant color and tangy taste, are not just a simple fruit. They're a powerhouse of nutrients and a remarkable detox agent. But how does this work? The magic lies in the citric acid found in lemons. This potent element stimulates the liver, our body's primary detox organ, to work more efficiently. It aids in the production of bile, a critical substance that helps your body flush out toxins and unwanted materials. In addition, lemons are high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells if not properly managed. Vitamin C helps to keep these radicals in check, further enhancing your body's natural detox process. Moreover, this yellow fruit is a rich source of pectin fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This not only assists in detoxification, but also contributes to maintaining a healthy weight. And let's not forget hydration. A squeeze of lemon in your water can make it more refreshing, encouraging you to drink more and stay hydrated, which is crucial for flushing toxins out of your body. So next time you think detox, think lemon. It's the humble, bright yellow fruit sitting in your kitchen that's just waiting to boost your health. Ever wondered why lemons are a staple in every health enthusiast's diet? Well, strap in for this citrusy ride as we delve into the world of lemons and health. First off, let's talk about immunity. Picture your immune system as a knight, battling against the invading germs and viruses. Now, imagine lemons as the blacksmith, forging the knight's armor. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient that enhances your immune system, helping it to fight off diseases more effectively. It's like giving your knight a shield, making it stronger and more resistant to those pesky invaders. Moving on, let's explore the digestive benefits of lemons. Ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after a heavy meal? Lemons might just be your new best friend. They assist in breaking down food, promoting smoother digestion, and helping to relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as heartburn, bloating, and belching. So the next time you're feeling a bit off after that extra slice of pizza, remember, a lemon might be the solution. Now, on to heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, and maintaining a healthy heart is paramount. This is where our humble lemons come into play. They are a good source of heart-healthy nutrients like potassium and vitamin C, which are known to support heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. So, incorporating lemons into your diet could be a step towards a healthier heart. And let's not forget about the multitude of other benefits. From aiding in weight loss to preventing kidney stones, the list goes on. Lemons are not just a tangy addition to your water or a garnish on your dish. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that could boost your overall health. So, next time you see a lemon, remember, it's not just a fruit. It's a small yellow package of health benefits waiting to be unleashed. It's no wonder that lemons are considered a superfood. Looking to add more lemon to your diet? We've got you covered. Now you might be wondering, how can I add more lemon to my meals? Well, the answer is simpler than you think. For starters, squeeze some fresh lemon juice onto your salads as a zesty, low-calorie dressing option. Not only does it add a tangy kick to your greens, but it also enhances the absorption of iron from the vegetables. But don't stop at salads. Lemon can be a great addition to your cooking too. Try adding a squeeze of lemon to your fish or chicken dishes. The acid in lemon helps break down the proteins in meat, making it more tender and flavorful. Now let's talk about drinks. A warm cup of lemon water first thing in the morning can do wonders for your digestion. It's a refreshing way to start your day and helps flush out toxins from your body. And for dessert, sprinkle some lemon zest on your favorite sweet treats. It adds a delightful citrusy twist that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. But remember, the The key to enjoying the health benefits of lemon is consistency. So, make it a habit to include this versatile citrus in your daily meals. With these tips, you'll be lemonizing your diet in no time. What if we told you that your next beauty secret is in your fruit basket? Yes, the humble lemon is not only a kitchen staple, but also a beauty powerhouse. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, both of which play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that fights the damaging effects of free radicals, thereby preventing premature aging and promoting a youthful glow. Citric acid, on the other hand, acts as a natural exfoliator that removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. Struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone? The natural bleaching properties of lemon can come to your rescue. Regular application of fresh lemon juice can lighten dark spots and even out your skin tone over time. Remember to always dilute the lemon juice with water to prevent any potential irritation. If you have oily skin or are battling acne, lemon can be your best friend. The astringent qualities of lemon help to reduce excess oil and tighten the pores. Its antibacterial properties can also help fight acne-causing bacteria, keeping your skin clear and blemish-free. So next time you reach for a lemon to add a tangy twist to your dish, remember it's not just a flavor booster, it's a beauty booster too. Who knew that beauty could be as simple as a lemon? Lemons aren't just for eating, you know. There's a little secret that lemons hold, and it's about time we spilled the juice. You might not believe it yet, but these citrus wonders can make your home sparkle and shine. Lemons, with their high acidity, make for an excellent natural cleaning agent. You see, the citric acid in lemons is a potent antibacterial and antiviral substance. It helps break down stains, cut through grease, and eliminate a multitude of germs. Imagine this. Your kitchen cutting board has seen better days. It's stained, it's smelly, and it's teeming with bacteria. But don't fret, cut a lemon in half, squeeze it over the board and scrub. The lemon's acidity works wonders, dislodging grime and neutralizing odors. Rinse it off and voila! Your cutting board is as good as new. But the magic doesn't stop there. Lemon can also be a lifesaver when it comes to the dreaded task of cleaning your microwave. A bowl of water with a few slices of lemon, microwaved for 3 minutes, can help loosen dried-on splatters. The steam from the water coupled with the cleaning power of the lemon makes wiping down your microwave a breeze. And let's not forget about the bathroom. A lemon half, dipped in some baking soda, can scrub away hard water stains and soap scum on your bathroom fixtures. It's a natural, non-toxic alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. So the next time you're out of cleaner, reach for a lemon. Ready for some juicy lemon facts? Let's get into it. Did you know that lemons are actually berries? That's right. From a botanical perspective, lemons are a type of berry known as a hesperidium. And here's another juicy tidbit. The average lemon contains 8 seeds and holds about 3 tablespoons of juice. But the world record for the most juice squeezed from a single lemon is a whopping 11.3 tablespoons. And while we often associate lemons with a sour taste, it's the citric acid that gives lemons their signature tartness, accounting for about 5% of the fruit's juice. In the world of fruits, lemons are high achievers. They're one of the top sources of vitamin C, with 1 lemon providing nearly 50% of your daily requirement. Finally, did you know that lemon trees can produce up to 600 pounds of lemons every year? And that's the zest of it, folks. Loved learning about lemons. There's a whole orchard of knowledge waiting for you here. Don't miss out. Show your support by clicking that like button. It's as refreshing as a cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. And to keep the knowledge flowing, hit the subscribe button. It's your ticket to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Share the love and this video with your friends too. Remember, when life gives you lemons, make the most out of it. Stay zesty.